Yo, what up YouTube? Crash Wilcox, and just want to make this short video to help you out if you come across this. So if this video does help you, please consider dropping a like, maybe a subscription. That would certainly help me. So maybe you've tried to upload videos to Rumble and you've come across issues where you've uploaded a 4K, 1080p, whatever happens to be, but it only plays back at less or a lower resolution, 720p, 480, depending on what it is. So if you've run into that issue, I did reach out to Rumble, and this is the response that I got back from them. Right here, you can see it says the quality of video is based on these thresholds: 4K video under 21 minutes, HD video under 46 minutes, 720p video under 61 minutes. So if you want a 4K video, it's got to stay short, under 20 minutes. 1080p less than 46, like it says, obviously, then 720p, basically an hour or less. So anything over that, you're going to be getting the 480p resolution. This may change down the road, but that's what we're sitting at currently. So again, hope this helped. You guys have any questions? I don't know if I have an answer, but I'll do my best to find it. All right. God bless.